Uyabona le ngijula naye manje. Uyena ke lo ngangimkhalela ngesikhathi ngizalo.
Sanibonani guysini and welcome back. Once again we are unpacking another episode of Uthando nes'thembu. Guysini, at this point ngikhathele umangwabe. Ngikhathele umangwabe. I don't even know how to put this, guys. Umangwabe, we all know ukuthi mayiqala le ndaba ka number 5 whereby uMosamseleku express ukuthi uyafisa ukuthatha wife number 5. Umangwabe was totally against it, and she expressed herself how she feels ukuthi she is against indaba ka number 5, right? And then baby girl went as far as saying if nje kungathiwa kuyangena wife number 5 yena uyahamba, so besazi thina ukuthi umangwabe uyahamba all along, and honestly speaking, even now I'm shook to find out ukuthi umayeni is one person who left and it's not umangwabe, because umangwabe was very vocal about the fact that yena uzohamba, So now, guys, umangwabe uyaposta la ku TikTok, if you have seen the video that I started with. Umangwabe ye manje ubhizi uyasipostela ku TikTok ama video ukuthi nje yena, and uyenza kube engathi, she's making it look like now she is in a new relationship, because uyasho ukuthi yabona lo wamanje uye lo engangimkhalela ngesikhathi ngizalwa. And she also took another video whereby she was in a lunch or a dinner with someone else, which it was a male name, but this male, it could be anyone. It could be her cousin, it could be her brother, it could be her distant relative, it could be anyone. And when she's posting it on TikTok, she knows, she's very strategic, she knows very well what she is doing. She is trying to just stir this thing that she will leave. Guys, umangwabe agayinda, wo. She ain't leaving her marriage, not for number 5, not for anyone. I mean, she is getting good benefits lapha kwaMseleku. Not to say she only there for the money, but I mean, she is living a very much comfortable lifestyle. Uzohamba yephi aye kubo and just be a nurse. That's it, guys. The money that they are making at themselves is just umangwabe uyasebenza just because, phela ukuba housewife, it's not nice nje uhleli ujika nelanga and all that. So usebenza because it's optional, not because she have to. You get? So now umesehamba lapha kaMseleku lifestyle yakhe, because guys, at the end of the day, these women, especially umangwabe and Uthobile, Uthobile works for herself, okay? She works for herself, and I think she is at the point where she can afford her lifestyle with or without uMosamseleku. Umangwabe doesn't strike me as such. Honestly, she is a nurse. How much do nurses make a month at most? Okay, 35,000, and she can afford a luxury lifestyle, which is 35,000 a month. Nope. She ain't going, guys. She ain't going. Anyway, let's get into the episode. So uMosamseleku fell ill, and when Mosamseleku fell ill, I think he did say ukuthi bakasendlini kaMangwabe, and uMangwabe was preparing to leave for work, and he realized ukuthi uvuke amehlo akhe angekho right, so therefore he went to uMakhumalo's house to just inform uMakhumalo ukuthi he's unwell. Then when he went to uMakhumalo to inform uMakhumalo ukuthi he's unwell, he then went to he then phoned or went to kumamkhulu uMacele, and then they then decided ukuthi aye esibhedlela. So Mefika aye esibhedlela, guys, he was hospitalized because it seems like he really did had an emergency. Guys, umusa akanayo medical aid. But then again, guys, medical aid for a big family like them Selekus, okay? Don't forget, because there is 4 wives, there is Umusa himself, and there is 10 children. So all in all, there are 15. That's a big family, and to pay for a medical aid for 15 people, like, it's a lot, guys. Already in my medical aid, I'm paying 6,000 and we are just 3. Okay, we are 3 and we are already paying 6,000. So you can only imagine for a 15, that's a very big family. So I think it makes sense because roughly a month for 15 of them, they will pay roughly 30 to 40,000 depending on the plan that they are on. So roughly a month we are just paying 30 to 40,000 and no one is getting sick. No one needs to use this medical aid. So I think it makes sense that they don't have a medical aid. Anyway, guys, so for the first time ever, we see abafazi bakamseleko behlangene. And on this point, really, they don't have a choice, but they have to behlangane bebambisane bebe womama. Bebe womama bekhaya, like kuyabaphoqa, So they were in the hospital, and at some point they were talking about taking Musa's phone away and his laptop because they were just like, he's always working. That's the only thing he lives for, is just work. So maybe it's advisable to take his laptop away from him. So fine, they took his laptop and then also the phones and everything else, and they left for the night. They met in the hospital. I don't know, because the shooting crew said cameras were not allowed inside the hospital, so therefore they just had to be outside the hospital. So when they were outside the hospital, we did saw that it was Thobile, Umbali, Umacele and Umayeni, guys, siyazi ukuthi akahlali eMzumbe, currently uhlala Kubo, so she had to drive all the way from Kubo to esibhedlela where he was admitted. Right, so now Musa is admitted in the hospital, and the wife are just like, okay, you know what, let's call it a day. We've been here, it's been long, and I think maybe they did get an update that he's doing better. They got an update that he's doing better, and they were like, okay, sharp, let's go, right? So when they left, okay, the 3 of the wives, Umayeni, no, not Umayeni, I'm lying, Umacele, Uthobile, and Umangwabe, they still went to a CPAC, maybe, and have like a sort of a message, or not even a message, a meeting. A meeting, right? So therefore they called Umayeni ukuthi hayibo Umayeni, mama silana esipark sizohlangana sizoba nenye i-meeting. Umayeni usilalela, mina nje ngicela ukuthi ningangibali, ngicela ukuthi ningayihluphi, angizi vele nakuleyo meeting yenu. We all like, hayibo Umayeni, babe, you being extra, so Umayeni was not present. So in the meeting umamkhulu lana uyasho ke ukuthi into kahle egulise uMusemseleko ukuthi ayikho unit, okay, of which, guys, indaba yokuthi ayikho unit lapha kaMseleko siyazi from season 1 and now we are in season 8. This means 8 years later siyazi ukuthi lapha kaMseleko i-unit ayikho. So bayashokelana ukuthi kusho uMacele ukuthi into emstressayo uMusa ukuthi ayikho unit. And guys, Umusa umegula, I think it shocked all the wives, because all of them in their diary sections babasho la ukuthi uMusa ngena vele umuntu ogula, so they were just as shocked to find out ukuthi uyagula, let alone being admitted to the hospital. So wagula, so ke uma Ngwabe disputes that, uyasho nje ukuthi ayikho nje leyo nto yokuthi uMusa Mseleko uguliswa yibo, okay. And uma Ngwabe says something that just triggers me. Uthi uMusa ufike wamtshela ukuthi kade ebanjelwe i-meeting lapha kwaCele. I'm like, guys, uma Ngwabe dala sitshela ukuthi umuntu wenza ukuthi ingabi bikho i-unit lapha kwaMseleko uyena uMusa, because uthatha indaba zala ezisela. I felt like it was just so unnecessary for uMusa ukuthi ehambe eyotshela uMangwabi ukuthi bekwenzakalani lapha kwaCele, bebanjelwe i-meeting nani. Like, it was just so unnecessary, and these are just solely my feelings, okay. This is how I feel. But yeah, and then I think uMacele la uya highlight futhi ukuthi enye into mhlambe ephathe kabi ubaba uMusa Mseleko ngalendlela ukuthi ezigcine gula ukuthi abantu abaningi abafuna ukubona u-wife number 5 ubeseshilo ukuthi u-wife number 5 uyafuna ukumthula kuwo wonke amakhosikazi akhe, but akwenzeki ukuthi u-wife number 5 ethuleke kahle kumakhosikazi wakhe because umayeni akekho ukubo. uMangwabe ushilo la wathi no mina ngi-right ungayihluphi ngami angifisi vele ukumbona u-wife number 5. So uMangwabe la uya-reply ku-Dara sections wakhe uthi yey ngicela nje ukuthi umuntu nomuntu ehlale kuleni yakhe. People should practice what they preach because ulontuzana uMacele uyathanda ukusho la ukuthi yena akafuni nje abantu abangena indaba zakhe nendoda yakhe yabona nje into enjalo nje vele uthanda ukuyi-expressa a lot ukuthi nje hey aba-chillax aba-relax bengayingena indaba zakhe nendoda yakhe, you know. But guys, you know, into yokuthi vele bathi wife number 5, wife number 5 usekhona sesiyamazi. So into yenza ukuthi bethi vele abafuna ukumbona, nami angi-understand ukuthi why bathi abafuna ukumbona wife number 5 because wife number 5 sesiyamazi usekhona sesim-acceptile ngendlela sim-accepte ngayo nani. So ang-understand ukuthi bona why bethi abafuni vele ukumbona wife number 5. I feel like they are making it just so impossible for Mosomseleko because then it goes to the fact ukuthi if maybe they are celebrating birthday celebrations or whatever, you know, like izinto ezikanjalo vele zizoyenzakala kanjani wife number 5 engekho bethi abafuna ukumbona. But anyway, guys, uThobile, our queen this season, oh baby girl, she's just on let me sip water. She's on let me sip water and mind my own business, you know. That's the direction that she's moving on right now. She's just like, let me sip water and mind my own business. Baby girl says nothing unless spoken to. Hey, when I tell you that she says nothing unless spoken to, she says nothing unless spoken to. Akakhomenti, akasho lutho, uyithulele futhi nje uyitshelile ukuthi yazini ngizobheka indaba zami, ongikhulumisayo ngizophendula lokho. Otherwise, I have nothing more to add. I don't know. I have seen people on social media saying they like this version of uThobile. Guys, nah, I don't. Like this version of uThobile worries me a lot because baby girl, indlela ayithulele ngayo, even on this picture, she looks angry. Like ngathi ukwatile kanje, ngathi uthi nje ima wangimoshela isikhathi ngale meeting. I'm not even in the mood. Yokuba kule meeting, you know, and we all know ukuthi if there is one person who genuinely love indoda yakhe ngothando luka love uThobile. So uThobile bandla uyayithandela kuMosamseleko, and we can tell ukuthi here, even though she's quiet, she doesn't have opinions and all that, but she's just worried about Musa, you know. And uyasho lana ukuthi i-meeting ayiphele masinya. And I think a person who was even more vocal on this conversation bekumangwabe than uThobile. You know, uThobile bengasho lutho ukuthi hey unit ayikho nani legit uThobile ubeyithulele ubeyithobile njengegama lakhe. But one thing that she says when she gets up, ukuthi no guys, we have to go back to the hospital and check Musa, you know, how he's doing and all that. You know, legit, that's the only thing that she said. That's the only thing that she said. She did not say anything else. Oh, baby girl just minded her own business. I don't know, guys. Maybe other people, but you know, they fall in love with this new version of uThobile. Each to its own, guys. Like I think singayenza if bathi uThobile bayithanda le vision yakhe ukuthi eyithulele engakhulumi engasho lutho. So that's fine, you know. Anyway, guys, other things comes with growth. You know, the more you grow, the more you see things in a different light, and the more you just realize ukuthi sometimes nje ukuvele nje uphuza amanzi ubheka indaba zakho eqondane nawe, it helps a lot. So ngicanga ukuthi uThobile ke naye bandla, and I'm very happy for uThobile. I think that's the level that she has reached. So yeah, guys, you know, it's a lot that is happening on uthando nes'thembu, but with uMangwabe not being present, and not uMangwabe, I mean uMayeni not just being present and active in family meetings and all that, and now indoda yakhe isiyakhula, and uMayeni ushilo shembandla ukuthi unayo bandla i-soft spot for uMusa. Uyasho ukuthi even though uMusa ubemdinile, but to actually find out that he is sick and is admitted in the hospital, ayimphathanga kahle leyo ndaba. So asazi guys, do you think that now that uMusa have been admitted in a hospital and all that, this means that they will rekindle their love, benomayeni bebe right, mhlawumbe uMusa naye ekwazi ukuphuma esibhedlela exolise? Because one thing about uMusa guys, that man doesn't know how to humble himself. Like I think it's one thing that I've observed, especially to his wives, especially because he does not have one wife. He have 4 different wives with 4 different personalities. Obviously, what works between him and uMakhumalo will not work between him and uMayeni, because uMayeni have a completely different personality, and that's okay. That's okay that Mayeni have a different personality from uMakhumalo or from uMangwabe. But as a man, as a main person, uyabafuna labafazi bo4. I think it's now his responsibility to then make sure, you know what, he has to humble himself. He has to humble himself kuMakhumalo, he has to humble himself kuMangwabe, and so on and so on. So, well, one thing that we know is that even though he was admitted in the hospital, but nothing, he's alive, well, and we are thankful. Okay. Guys, after those 3 wives held that meeting, guess what uMacele did? Macele then calls wife number 5. Guys, wife number 5, sesiyasho nje ukuthi wife number 5 ngokuhloniphisa. But at this moment, right now, whilst they are still shooting, wife number 5, Akakabu, wife number 5, she is still a girlfriend because no lobola has been paid currently as they are shooting. But as of now, as of this time of making this review, there might be a possibility that lobola have already been paid, Kabo wife number 5, okay? Then now, uMayeni went and met up with wife number 5, and then wife number 5 uyashola ukuthi how yazibengimangele, we have not been speaking mina no Musa all along. So Mayeni uyasho ukuthi no, that's because he's admitted to the hospital, and it's because uthi niyamstressa nani. So wife number 5 uyimangele nkosami ukuthi how wema sengiyamstressa engamenzani. Guys, another thing that uMacele spotted ngo wife number 5 ukuthi ubegqoke ingubo enkulu, ingubo emdidelayo, yabo bengasagqokile manje ingubo embambayo. uMayeni, not uMayeni, uMacele then suspects ukuthi wife number 5 is pregnant. Yay, zakhala zalila. Well guys, let me tell you, where there is smoke, there's definitely fire. So the fact that uMacele uyasuspect ukuthi wife number 5 is pregnant, it's a done deal. It's a done deal. Something in me tells me that it's already a done deal, because guys, you don't just suspect things from nowhere. And I guess it was wife number 5, she is a plus size woman, very beautiful woman, very beautiful body. She's big, she have a very big, beautiful body, but whatever that makes my think ukuthi wife number 5 is pregnant. Yeah, guys, yeah. What do you all think? Ngicabangani, please, and commenteni down or below. Kushushu. Do you think ukuthi we're gonna be having pregnant baby showers for wife number 5? We're gonna be throwing a baby shower. Kuzobe busy. But then wife number 5 was informed by uMacele ukuthi uMsamseleku usesibhedlela, and then uMacele was like, I will sneak you in there. Fine. Guys, it looks like uMacele uyaphapha, honestly. But then when uMacele was making a video call with uMusa, and uMusa was happy to see uMacele no wife number 5 and all that, so therefore this thing tells me it might be uMusa ocele umacela ukuthi hayibo ngisacela ukuthi uhambe uyongibonela uwife number 5 umtshela ukuthi ngisesibhedlela and possibly come with her. I doubt ukuthi umacele nje uvele wayicabangela nje ehleli yedwa. I doubt, guys. I don't know. Each to its own. But anyway, guys, yeah, umacele is going to sneak in wife number 5. Laba abanye abafazi bengazi. So therefore, wife number 5 now is being asked in her diary sections ukuthi how does she feel about the fact yokuthi laba abanye abafazi abakafisi ukumazi. Baby girl just dropped tears. And this tells me, Uguzi Aibo, baby girl, like, do you know what you're getting yourself into? Clearly you don't. Clearly you have no idea what you're getting yourself into. You cannot be crying. It's still too early. It's still too early. Wait until you are married and uhlala nabo. Uhlala noma yini lapha emzumbe uhlala it's gonna be stressful. For me, it's just for her to drop tears for the fact that other wives are saying they're not ready to meet her and she's dropping tears. I'm like, babe, just for that, you're crying? Just for that? That's nothing. That's nothing. You're all going to be showing a man and you are the youngest. Obviously, there is a lot of pettiness that is going to be going on. A lot. But anyway, guys, she's young. You know, we were all young and naive, and at some point we thought love is this beautiful thing, and then when love was not as beautiful as we thought it was. Anyway, guys, I'll just leave you all here. Please do not be shy. Comments down below. I would love to hear all your opinions, and I will see you on the next one when, of course, I am bringing you more reviews. Till then, please do stay blessed, and I love you.